Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can fix an error where your sponsor requests might have reached their limit. So let's get right into it. Now, Cash App does have the system where you can request somebody to sponsor you if you're under 18, and then you'll be able to use Cash App with certain functionalities which you wouldn't usually without verifying your account. So that is basically why you would do so. Now, there is a very high number of sponsor requests which you can send in a day. However, you might come across a glitch where you might not be able to put in any more requests. Now, if that is the case, then you need to try a couple of different things. Firstly, you should try clearing your cache on your Cash App. By cache, I mean CACHE, which is the data which Cash App uses to pretty much function faster without you, having to load everything up when you access the app at a later date. But try deleting that first. Maybe update or reinstall the app. That might fix it. However, the main fix is to try and contact support. Now, the way that you contact support is you just go into your profile, tap on your profile in the top right, select support, and then select start a chat and send a message, or navigate to the issue and tap contact support. Now, once you chat with them, they will try to help you as much as possible. However, there are mixed reviews of the Cash App support, so keep that in mind. But if you want to, you can also call Cash App support by 1-800-969-1940, and they're able to help between 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. So keep that in mind. But otherwise, there is no known general fix for this problem, and I'm sorry to say that, but it is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.